Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. Let's talk about Facebook, a play that I entered in before close right over here, and we're already up 10% because again this was a weekly expiration. So I want to talk about Facebook. I want to talk about the technical analysis, stop loss, price target, and all of that good stuff. Now, before I start the video, make sure to subscribe and turn the notification bell on because I'm leaving some Discords. Discords who I alert for free. I'm leaving them, so make sure to subscribe with notification bell on. So all that good stuff. Let's start on the Facebook right over here now. Facebook, also known as Meta Platforms in the future, has a very nice chart pattern right over here. Now this will be my last video and my first video on Facebook because again the name will get changed to Meta Platforms. It'll be MTRVS, I think, on December. So I want to talk about this play right over here, which is very, very interesting. So as you guys can see, left shoulder, we have the head, we have the right shoulder. Now, this is a bullish reversal pattern. So something like MU, where the downtrend breakout was a reversal pattern. So same with FB. Facebook, it's just a different pattern right over here. Now, one thing I want to keep you guys in mind is that this is Facebook. It is a blue chip stock, and it's worth over like $1 trillion. So what that means is, and why it's important, is because there will be more volume. This setup will be better than inverse head and shoulder on like Baba or something, because more people are going to be watching Facebook. Now I'll show you guys an example of a inverse head and shoulder first right over here, which was S&P 500. So this is an example of a inverse head and shoulder right over here. We have the left shoulder, the inverse head, and the right shoulder, and then the breakout right over here. One thing I want to keep you guys in mind is that if we have a chance that we can actually gap up for Facebook right over here. So we might honestly gap up to start the day right over here, but above 3,345 is what we are bullish. So right over here, we have already entered in. We definitely do still have more room to enter. So this will be our entry right over here. This will be our price target right over here. So let's do the screen. And now what is going to be our stop loss? Because we got weekly expirations, so they move very quick. And if they move a lot, so if it goes up, 1%, it's going to be a lot of gains. But if we move down 1%, we're basically going to 0. So one thing I want to keep you guys in mind is that since our price target is 300 and around 55, 54 right over here, so let's move this up right over here. Our gain is going to be around 140%. Okay, so I want to keep you guys in the risk to reward right over here. Okay, so let's look at the hourly right over here. What is going to be our stop loss right over here? Now, my usual stop loss for an inverse head and shoulder is right around over here. So if we break this over here, but I just can't do that with Facebook because we have weekly expirations. Okay, so this is the usual stop loss we usually have, but I can't do that because again, if we go down around 324, we're going to 0 on our contract. So the risk to reward, you gotta keep that in mind because it's different entering in 10% of your account in this play than a monthly swing. So my stop loss in mind is going to be right around over here. So as you can see, we have this bull flag on the hourly right over here. So if we break above 340, we're very, very bullish right over here. So this will be my stop loss that I'll be keeping in mind right over here. So on the hourly, so around 337, so that's going to be around a 30% loss. Again, these contracts are very, very high risk since it is a weekly expiration right over here. So entry, stop loss 338 around this area right over here, and then overall price target right over here. Now this looks absolutely insane. It just looks like the SPY inverse head and shoulder right over here. So I'm feeling very, very good on this play. You guys can tell that I'm confident since I got a weekly expiration. Just please understand that this is a weekly expiration. If we're red on Monday, we're going to be down significantly. So you got to understand that you can either take monthly expirations or weekly, and it's all on your risk tolerance. Okay, what are you going to be doing? But I took a weekly, so overall it's all on you. And overall, feeling very, very nice. We're already up 10%, but as long as if we hold on to Monday, we're feeling very, very good. So overall, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Very, very simple video on Facebook. The next video will be probably on December, when it actually turns into the MTRVS ticker right over here. So very, very simple trade plan. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Again, I made all of these videos before the actual play or during the play, like this Neo, Hive, Amazon, and some plays I don't even call out, like the Boeing play. But other than that, make sure to subscribe with the notifications on, and hope you guys enjoyed this video, and see you guys tomorrow. I'm gonna post another video on the weekly watch list or some other video. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys tomorrow.